In this video, I will show you how to find your Kraken wallet address. You can follow along on mobile or desktop. I'll be showing you how to do it on desktop, but I'll also tell you the steps for how to do it on the app, and it's quite similar. So first, if you're on desktop, you will see a deposit button right here on the home screen. So click deposit. But if you're on mobile, you want to click transfer in the bottom first, and then click deposit. Now once you've clicked deposit, you will then see a list of a bunch of currencies. Now you just want to go and filter by crypto, and then you can select the cryptocurrency that you want to find your address for. For example, I'll use Bitcoin. Now from there, they will give you a list of networks. So if you're sending from another wallet, you want to just make sure that here you pick the same network that you picked on the other wallet. So for example, if I'm sending from Coinbase and there I pick the Bitcoin network, then here I must also pick the Bitcoin network. So for example, I'll choose this one, and it will give you some instructions, so the processing time, a tip to send smaller amounts first, which is always smart to do. From there, click I understand, and then they will give you your address. Now yours will be different from mine, but you just want to click copy address, and from there you can paste it in wherever you need it, and you have now found your wallet address, in this case for the Bitcoin currency on the Bitcoin network. Now this works the same on mobile, and it works the same for other currencies. For example, Solana, you get your Solana address. But there is one difference. If you use XRP and you want to deposit this, then you will get an address and a tag. So in this case, they have one more thing you need to copy and paste, which is the tag. So now you know how to find your wallet address on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.